All right, peace in. Let's begin. Winterwolf, I figured that I would just, this might be a little bit easier to just break down what I did here. And remember, this isn't the perfect dog. This is, I just threw this dog out here. Normally, I would take a lot more time and try to get rid of, say, try to make my wave dupes smoother so there wouldn't be any lines in between. But, this is just to illustrate the basic way to make a dog or a cat. Okay, so first of all, you do this. Let's take this guy apart here. Made his tongue. If you look carefully, it's the same piece that I used to make his eyebrows. And this is how I did that. I used the scribble tool to make that shape. And then I honed it down with a cone template. See? Now, the eyebrows, like I said, I just made that shape on scribble tool. But then I did hone them down with a curved template. See that? And the same template that the same shape that I used for the eyebrow, I used to make, I turned it into a hole and that made the mouth. These eyes, those are spheres. The eyes right here, those were made with the scribble tool. And those were just spheres that I stretched. Oh, see that? That originally started out as the nose was just that part that I used as an element to wave to. See that? Okay, let's get rid of all of that. And remember, this was just wave duped from that element. Let me put that curve template on. Okay, now let's take this arm, leg, okay. Let's look at the foot. A dome template, basically a cone template over these four pieces. See, they're just the same piece but duplicated and then repositioned. Yeah, see? That's all wave dupe, okay? Now, another thing I did was use this wave dupe shaped and put it in the elbow joints, or I guess you'd say the leg joints, the knee joints, because this looks a little bit thin, so we wanted that taper that you find in in anything in nature. You I created the natural taper afterwards. And it's not the best job. Usually I would like to try to melt it in and blend it in so that it doesn't show. But this is just to illustrate how I did it. Okay. Now the tail, okay, and the leg here, the hind leg, just wave duped. Just played around, punched the numbers in until it was as wide as I wanted it to be. See? It all started as wave dupe. Now, I'll show you this tail. The tail originally was made out of one tail part, and I made, and at first this was going to be the whole tail, nothing more. But then I said, it looks too blocky. So then I just took it and wave duped it into that tail. Got it? Okay. I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to publish this dog here. Oops. Well, that's not what we wanted to do. Anyway, I'm going to get rid of that and leave this guy out and publish him for you. And you're welcome to take him apart and study him and get to work on your own. Hope that was helpful. Peace out. See you around there. Bye-bye.